Idole. Here's to the ones who dream big. This is the time. Every quest is led by an inner fire, a strong desire. Believe in yourself. Go further and shape your future. Take action, make things happen. Hold on. Hold on despite the failures and those who say it's impossible. Do not compromise with your passion. Fight for your vision and make it real. Each of your dreams is an open window. Reverse the world. Be the next level of femininity. Shine with your audacity. Be your own idol. We are the future. We're all idols. Idole, Lancôme.